Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakas ni Pyllait jong katayo ulalom ya kejingalang haskretarian hakabiade bak kejinglong jingman katanat boarding kejala bat kene kejingalang kalashim ya karai banyak keren bak Sorkar Pdeng ban Pyllait no ya kabha baar jong kapisa kabalashim kum karam lengba kaatma nirbhar Bharat Abhiyan kaban kot syakhandrius pak klortingka kanang ban Siew dep no ya kapisa kabadangsa jong ke company penmi boarding. Habayakran bat kilat pathai kubor Konrad ke sangma uloong. Baka Sorkar kanyakran bat ka Sorkar Pdeng ban Pyllait no ya kawat baar jong kapisa bat ukermen scam baka Sorkar jala kan yo no ya ka handrius pak klur tingka kanang bakan la ban Siew pen Khuid ya kapisa bapensa dak MeECL syaki company day boarding. Uloong ke MeECL kala syabtha ban Siew pendep no ya kapisa kaba syaja lais pak klur tingka hapo arbanai bat kane ke jing syak penbor ke MeECL kalalong sebab palat pun namar hakajing sisa kini ke company kiladai ban ailat ya ke MeECL bahkan Siew ya kapisa hapo henriu benai ni sisnem ulakam baka Sorkar kalala ban thom ya kejing da kejing treshi tom jong ki officer ke MeECL ha kabalala ban Siew san pau na kasispa ya kapisa kaba pensa syakini ke company bat ukermen bahakisngi ni tayo banwan enla ban Siew pendep no ya kapisa. Menteri Rangba uloong ba uyayong ude ubenai baka jela ke jumat jing bha bat lada mla bantek lakam ya ke jing pendon kam ya ke boarding elektrik habaro sisnem bat akajaka ban penlip ya ke boarding elektrik da pran ni kendai kenta kan bhashibun lada penlip tang sikenta ni ar kenta. Kini ke baro kidon Pdeng kejing kemi benya bat ka Sorkar kampat sim satya ya kanu karai hendrai kadang wat dikilat kelenti ban weng ya kejing ulaya thu ba ke MeECL kalayo lum kumbah nyo pauklur tingka na kipai ba kibam sim la Siew ya ka by boarding bat kumju na kikat tu kat ni kibalale iki kambut tu ha ka bedai bat ka boarding electric.
So we have taken this matter up, and that's the reason why after pressure from the different generation companies, we had gone ahead with the Atmanirbhar loan, and we have now moved, and the first tranche has been released. Now we are working towards getting the second tranche, which requires a few more decisions to be made. So today we have taken those decisions, and we'll be moving with Government of India for the second tranche, and hopefully we'll be able to resolve these issues. But what is important to know that it has all come to us in the last 2-3 months. Entire pressure of the last 10-15 years has come in the matter of 2 months, 3 months, which we had to clear. And hence, the pressure that was coming into us. Whether it was through NTPC, they asked us to clear the entire liabilities for the past 15 years. Whether it's NIPCO also, they said you have to clear the entire liabilities of the last 15 years. So that's the kind of pressure that was there in the power department. But because of the detailed work and homework that has been done by the officials in MeECL, we have managed to clear 50%, and we are hopeful that in the next few days and weeks we'll be able to do the rest also. We are exploring the opportunities, the possibilities of what we can do to manage the situation better. As was said that this is a very difficult time in the sense that April is always the period when we face this kind of situations. But we realized also that if we were to rationalize the power usage, then maybe throughout the year we could do a much more balancing act. Rather than having 8-9 hours of load shedding, it's better that we have a standard, 1 hour, 2 hours. So there could be a possibility where we may have to go for that, keeping in mind the high amount of expenditure that we have to incur. And all these are being examined. We have not taken any decision as yet, but we are exploring all the possibilities. We need to go for some strict measures to streamline the functioning of MeECL. There are so many factors and so much of dues that are there. So therefore, some stern measures will be taken up. I cannot share all of that with you right now because the roadmap is being prepared. But we're exploring and we're seeing what possibilities are there to stabilize MeECL.
Hakawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba ula pentikna banle da kabating persya ikitu kibadon kti haka kambam sam haka biade ba kejing tu ya ke boarding electric habernihan kenang bakum kita kejing ja ken jasu nang ni sakhaman. Habakali syapang ka kaipot UCMD ke MeECL bakila don bungut ke ofisar ke badon kti hakani ka kam sniu ukonrat ulong kinu ki badon kti hakakam sniu dai ban le da ka bateng e hendrai namal ba 4 la ban tip laki don kti ni kim don kti ulong bakalong ke babaklai u ban chupen kut da ka baong baki dai ke badon kti hendrai lengba ka jing toket banya ansalap ya ka jing sisya baro halor ka ni ka jingja